Good day traders, welcome back to the Forex Boat Trading Academy. Today we will be looking at S&P 500 index, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel you can do so right away not to miss any of the future analysis. So let's get started. But first I would like to remind you that all the information in this video is for educational purpose only and should not be considered as a financial advice. And on the S&P 500 index we have the potential trend reversal, or at the very least a potential downside corrective move. So this is a daily time frame. Obviously it's a long-term perspective that I do expect from this pair, and the first of all is the breakout of the ascending channel. There was a breakout and then price went sharply to the upside. We can see that here was the clean rejection of the 88.6 fips, which is very common in cryptocurrencies, stocks, and sometimes in Forex as well. So this is the highest point of retracement, and in the worst case there could be a double top here. But daily break and close above this top will definitely invalidate the potential bearish outlook. But for now, as long as we hold this resistance area between 3,550 and 3,600, then this potential remains valid. So what is the nearest support? This could be the level at 3,200. This is a very strong psychological level, and it's very likely that S&P 500 will retest it. We have this level corresponding to the two moving averages, 200 simple and 200 exponential moving average. So this is the very strong support area. Besides, this level also corresponds to the 88.6 fips. If you can see, I have applied it to this corrective move down where 61.8 fips was rejected. So I will zoom it out so you can see the big picture. And from this point onwards, this could be a slow decline. There could be consolidation, although I think it should be starting shortly. This is a daily time frame, so probably sometime next week we will see the beginning of this move. Although I would not exclude the possibility that price will produce a double top here, retrace back and then move down. This is also possible, but for now it looks like we are heading north non-stop. There are no signs that the price will be going up. Now let's just apply a simple downtrend trend line. So this could be the potential retracement level where price could be getting. We can see that here the two moving averages, both of them were broken at this point. So this is the level of resistance at this point right there. And this is where the price right now. So this is the supply zone clearly. And as long as it holds, price should continue to move down. But if there will be break above this resistance, then price is likely to retest the trend line or the moving averages on the hourly time frame. Back to the daily. So all in all, this is very strong move to the downside that we could see. And well, this is only the first move. Maybe we will see something like that. And this is what I think will happen, to be honest with you. I think there will be a massive rally. There will be just a price drop, free fall, similar to this scenario. Well, maybe not, of course, but we need to see the what will be the price action around 3,200. If there will be a breakout, if the price will slice through easily, then yeah, this could be a free fall. If not, then there will be a consolidation or a corrective move to the upside. All in all, bearish. We'll see how it goes. This is a long-term perspective. We will continue on following S&P 500 index. Let's move back to previously made analysis, starting Euro New Zealand dollar. On this chart, we can see that yesterday, guys, I spoke that this resistance hasn't been broken. So I think price is under the selling pressure right now. I think Euro has reached well, a lot of resistance levels. We just recently closed Euro, Australian dollar, Euro, dollar, and this could be the weakness for the Euro. and I think there is no point in following this, although it can go up, but it's not that attractive because of this rejection of this high. So risk of the downside move remains pretty high in my view, but as long as this 61.8 Fips holds on the daily time frame, it could go up. Still, there is a potential, but I'm not gonna follow Euro, New Zealand dollar. Euro, Australian dollar was closed, target reached, so probably same was for the Euro, New Zealand dollar. So closing Euro, Canadian dollar. Well, here is slightly different picture because this is the weakness of the Canadian dollar that will drive the Euro CAD, and I think this will not be the strength of the euro, as I said, but the weakness of the Canadian dollar. So here, right at the support, previous level of support as well, was resistance, but sliced through. Now, yet again, a support along with the moving average. So from this point onwards, I would expect uptrend continuation. Ethereum, well, moving slowly to the upside. This is a daily time frame, so we need to wait and see, but looks pretty bullish. Gold. Well, here, yeah, the corrective move follows, but I'm very bullish on gold still, as long as price remains obviously in the long run above this level, and this corrective move possible. As I said, guys, this is extremely attractive buying area if price will get there, but still very bullish. Silver, same, could raise to this support area, either this green zone or this green zone. There could be this corrective move to the downside. The euro pound, as long as this low holds, it's still bullish because of this breakout. So waiting, this is not the euro strength, but I think it's the pound weakness, because we spoke about the euro, it might not be that strong, might not. And moving for the pound, so we expect pound weakness, and therefore, guys, this move is also expected. This is pound New Zealand dollar, and we just was talking about the euro New Zealand dollar that could be going down. So pound New Zealand dollar could be going down even stronger. And let's see the daily. So on the daily, price did hold this high. There was no closing price above, which means that this downside potential remains valid. I do expect fast move to the downside towards this support, maybe lower, but we'll see if it gets there. Canadian Swiss franc, this is yesterday's analysis, obviously valid. This is a daily time frame, long-term perspective, so yeah, clearly it could be this downside move that I do still expect. It could take weeks, a couple of weeks, maybe 3-4 weeks for this kind of price action to take place, that I do expect move to the downside. And finally, the well, US oil was just an example yesterday. I might do a full analysis later on, maybe today, maybe tomorrow, but yeah, US oil also looking very bearish, which means that the Canadian dollar will be also extremely bearish, and this is the reason we have Canadian Swiss franc sell and potential euro Canadian dollar to the upside. So these are the analysis that we had. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to obviously subscribe to the channel. We post these videos on a daily basis, analyze the market, review what has been already analyzed. So just smash the subscribe and of course the like button as well if you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and we'll speak to you very soon.